Hey Norm, just a bit of feedback for this results mentoring page. So I made a couple of little changes on here, just look and feel of it, and the landing page as well. Updated some of the content for you, so that's cool. I've updated the video and got the actual the right video in there now. So that's that short 8-minute training one. A few things I've noticed is this button hidden behind the footer. So I don't know what's going on there, but can you please bring that forward? And also, can we please plug in? So I'll share this into the teamwork task, so you have that page there. But can you please maybe pull all of this and put it just below the video and the button. So I have another section, put that content in below the video and the button, and then the button again with just that same button. And then the footer, and just copy what's in this footer here. So we're just sending people, so we'll just have the video with that 8-minute video of the training, and then a button that says, I think, what have I got? It's like register your interest or apply, whatever it might be. So you can just replicate that. So book your free 30-minute session, strategy chat now. And then just plug in all of this. You can just copy that whole area. I've got images of Tony, so I'll upload that onto the teamwork task as well, and then you can grab this from there. So if you could do that as well for me, please, mate. I will get the HTML code from Infusionsoft that you can use for the button. So it'll be a form that'll plug directly into the Infusionsoft, and we'll just need to update the styling on it. But please work on that, and I'll get the little bits and pieces over to you. Thanks.